Hey, this is Chris from StockSpot, and something you can be quite sure of now that markets are volatile again is that you're going to hear a lot of active fund managers saying that it's a stock pickers market, that there's lots of opportunities around, but only if you're active in your stock picking. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you why that makes absolutely no sense whatsoever, why it hasn't been a stock pickers market in other periods of market volatility, and it won't be a stock pickers market in this current period of market volatility. And the key point to make is that you'll never see these claims backed up with any evidence at all. The evidence actually shows that during periods of market turmoil, active fund managers do just as badly as they do in periods of market stability. In fact, they underperform just as much in both types of periods. The reason for this is active managers, in order to succeed, they actually need the combination of low volatility, high dispersion, and high correlations. And this particular type of environment only happens about 2% of the time. And so the 98% of the time that this environment doesn't exist, it's very, very difficult for active managers to perform well, and they typically underperform. And this is why we see in a lot of the actual studies and evidence, whether it's done by favour or the Pension Institute in the US, that active fund managers do badly in all market environments, and it gets worse the longer you invest with them. And so the next time you hear an active manager say it's a stock pickers market, ask them for the evidence. What evidence do you have to support this, or is it just a vibe? Because certainly the articles I've seen over the last couple of weeks are all along the right lines of, I feel the vibe of it being a stock pickers market. It feels like a opportunity-rich environment. This is all active manager garbage, basically, to really convince you to move your money into one of their strategies when actually there's no data and evidence to support it at all.